What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. We're to go over Dogecoin, the daily dose of Doge, which is up 1.46% today at 27 cents. We did hard candle down to that 25 cents. Yes, we did wick below it, but guess what? Wicks really don't matter. I mean, I saw the comments be like, oh my gosh, it's down to 22, it's down to 22. Those are the Jeets. Those are the ones that watch it every second, every day. And as soon as it breaks a certain price level, they sell. That's the reason that a lot of the altcoins capitulate. You have these very paper hand holders holding the coin. But long and behold, the diamond hand holders came through and that 25-cent support area held up big. And we're going to go over that in the TA today. So we're at 40.99 billion. So we did drop below 41 billion market cap. Nothing to worry about there. I still think we have a substantial amount of growth to go here. I think this thing can easily go to $4 during the hype of the bull run. Volume is up huge today, guys. 130% up on volume, which is indicative of that 1.4% rise today. Huge for Doge. We have the all-time high. Obviously, you guys know that since you're watching this video, right? 73 cents. Easily going to be smashed through this bull run, which the bull run, in my personal opinion, is over the end of October, beginning of November this year. So we only have a couple months to go straight up, and alt season is right around the corner, guys. It's pretty much up only season here very soon. So I hope you guys have your bags packed. I hope you guys did not get shaken out by that crash yesterday. That was a pretty nasty shakeout, and that really is going to separate a lot of the diamond handers from the paper handers in the next coming weeks, because things are about ready to get really fun, and Dogecoin, in my personal opinions, about ready to get very juicy. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Dogecoin. All right, everybody, let's get in the Dogecoin here. We went over it yesterday. We're to go over it again today. We're to go to the 1-day chart. We're to look at the 4-hour. We're to look at the 1-day. We're to look at the 3-day, maybe the weekly. We're just gonna do a little bit of like a deep dive into this. So yesterday when we made the video, we were talking about that 25-cent support area, and that's exactly what came in play. You can see we actually hard candled down to 26. Yes, we threw a wick down to 20 cents, but wicks don't count, man. Wicks are kind of like flash crashes, right? The main thing that matters is the body of the candle. So obviously you could have had a buy order in at 20 cents, and there's a small chance you could have got hit. Just because it went down to 20 cents doesn't mean all orders get filled. It means there are some orders that got filled at 20 cents. I mean, you could technically put a buy order in like at 15 cents. You put like a 50 buy order in at 15 cents, and you could manipulate this wick to flash down to 15 cents. That's why I really don't take wicks into consideration. You want to look at the body of the candle. The body of the candle hit that support area perfectly at that 26 cents. Now we did wick down to a prior support, obviously at that 20 cents. If we draw a horizontal line there for you guys, you can kind of see the price history around that 20 cents area. So that was kind of shaking out the Jeets. Trust me, there's quite a few Jeets in Dogecoin. If you look at the prior comments there, like, oh, it's going to zero. Oh, it's down to 20 cents now. You were wrong. Oh, we're going down. Yeah, they were calling for 10 cents and everything in the comments. That is the reason that crypto, some altcoins crash, because you have those type of emotional traders. You can't have emotion in crypto, guys. You can have zero emotion in crypto. But let's get realistic here. We're done with that. So indicators right now, like we talked about yesterday on the day chart, are very reset. We have the MACD, which is didn't make that large of a bearish engulfing candle today, which is showing signs of bearishness slowing down on the day chart. We had the RSI, which is pretty much reset, and we're sitting here at 33, right? And I think we talked about this yesterday. If we draw a horizontal line at the general support area, you can see we've touched this area quite a bit, once, twice, 3, 4. So we are pretty close to the bottom there until we see a possible reversal, in my personal opinion. On top of that, we're pretty much in the green. We're not there yet. We're almost in the green. If anything, I think 25 cents does get touched one more time, but that's the bottom. 25 cents is such a powerful support area, and we went over why that 25% or that 25 cents is such a powerful support area in our prior video, guys. And then the big indicator here, MACD, or not MACD, stock RSI. This thing definitely fakes some people out here. This is called the Jeet killer, the Jeet killer. You can see that we actually bottomed out here on the stock RSI like we normally bottom out at a general level. Then normally when you bounce off that, you can see you go up, go up. But we had a fake out here. This is what, you know, you have a bullish fake out, bearish fake out, everything like that. That's exactly what happened here. And all of a sudden we made a V line and broke below that orange line, which is when the blue's below orange, that's bearish, right? But nonetheless, a lot of coins capitulated yesterday, but a lot of them have recovered. And if you look at a lot of coins, yes, they threw wicks down to lower support areas, but 99% of all the coins that capitulated yesterday, the body of the candle, which is the main buying area for the coin, maintained above the main support area. And that's exactly what happened for Dogecoin. So I'm really not too concerned about Dogecoin. I wouldn't be upset at all if I put a buy order in at 25 cents and yes, it wicked down the 20, but if it held at 25 cents, you know, you're still up right now. But what we really want to focus on here on the day chart, actually we want to look at the short term, or look at the day chart first, high to low, is this support area. Actually, let's do the day chart support area. Let's do the large one here. And what happened is we wicked right down to that 618, which is 20 cents, guys. 618 golden pocket. If you don't know Fibonacci, definitely learn it. The most powerful tool for any technical analysis trader. I'm not even crapping you guys. Learn the Fibonacci. If I only had to pick one indicator, this would be the one right here. But you can see we actually wicked down to that 618. That was the support area right now. We broke below the 786. This is our area that we need to overtake. If Dogecoin overtakes 29 to 30 cents, that is going to be where we start seeing our large move, is getting over that 786. That was support. It was support back in December 18th, and you can see that it was prior support as well towards the middle of January. So yes, we did wick down to the 618 pretty much perfectly, but I do think we are working our way back up to 30 cents to cross over like we talked about in the day chart. There's a lot of indicators that are printing a reversal right now for Dogecoin. And if you look at the 4-hour time frame, this is kind of showing it right here, guys. This is the big one right here. So for you swing traders, you know, the people who buy and flip day, you know, every day they're buying, selling, this is the chart for you. So we're heading up towards the critical resistance area because we broke it, right? We broke below it. So now it's a resistance instead of support at 30. Look at these indicators here. 4-hour chart's about ready to flip bullish right here. We're about ready to go blue over orange, which is indicative of a bullish crossover. We were massively oversold here. When green flashes on the RSI VSwap, that screams, hey, it might be a good time to buy. And that's exactly what happened right there. And on top of that, we printed a buy signal, one of the deepest buy signals we've seen since December of 2024, guys. So there's multiple signals flashing right now saying that we are going to be breaking over the 786 and working our way higher right here. Normally, I call this the 3 wise men. I don't know if that's a real term, but if you look at it, MACD's about ready to cross over bullish. We have the RSI VSwap printing green saying, hey, it's a good time to buy. And then we got a buy signal as well. So we have 3 different indicators saying, hey, it's a good time to buy. Now, the only thing is the stock RSI is pretty high right now, but we do have a lot more room to run. We have room to run up to 99. We're currently sitting at about 78. So in my personal opinion, Dogecoin's heading to 30 cents. If we get over 30 cents, that's when it's time to rock and roll, guys. So keep an eye on that. My personal opinion, day chart indicators look solid. 4-hour indicators look like we're about ready to blast off. And then the 3-day indicators, like we're looking right here, the 3-day indicators, yeah, 3-day indicators are slowing down as well. As you can see, everything's starting to roll over bullish on the 3-day. So in my personal opinion, this was a shakeout right here. If you're a G, congratulations, you're never going to be rich. If you're a diamond hand holder for Dogecoin, congratulations. I do think this thing is going to go to $4 plus. And I'll give you guys the scenario for that now, and then we'll end the video. So why do I think Dogecoin has the opportunity to go to $4? Well, we talked about it in the prior video about the similarities to the prior bull run consolidation to the next run up to what's currently happening right now. So if we draw the high to the low right here, hypothetically speaking, you normally run to the 1, 2, 3, 6 during the bull run, which is at $4.18. And you normally top out between the 1236 and the 1618. The 1618 is at $40. I'm sorry, guys. I don't think we're hitting $40 below. And I know you can go cry in your pillow. There's a pretty good chance I would put money on it that we're not hitting 40, but I do think there's a very, very good chance that we hit $4 to $5 this bull run, guys. Normally, the prior bull run, what did we see? We saw from here to here, from the 2018 to 2019, we saw a 130x gain, and then we had our last bull run, the 2020 to the prior high, was a 376 x gain. So from where we're currently at up to the 1236 is only a 17x gain or 170x gain. So we've done multiple 300x gains the last two bull runs. Why would a 176x not be possible, right? So I do think it is possible to work our way up there to around $4 to $5 for this coin. Anything above that's bonus dollars. We'll probably top out somewhere in here, but I don't play that game. Normally during this, I normally get out to 1236. But overall, everything's looking good for Doge. We bounced where we thought we were going to bounce. We're still above 25 cents. Nothing to worry about. Congratulations on the people who got in at 20 cents. Congratulations on the people who got in at 25 cents. That's still cheap comparative to what the price is going to be in the next couple months. So with that, guys, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins that you would like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.